Can we withdraw funds from Temu? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if it's possible to withdraw funds from your Temu. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's say that you have some balance on your credit, or you're basically some credit balance. So if you say that you want to, withdraw it, so let's check that out. So right here, you can see your total balance. So there actually you won't find any option to redeem or withdraw it. So let's head over to our web browser. And this is a website by Temu. So here you can see that Temu, as they say, that your credit balance can only be used for purchases on Temu. You cannot redeem your Temu credits for cash. So that's a direct answer, that you cannot withdraw funds from Temu. And yeah, that's basically it. And if your order is refunded to credit and you want to change the refund method to the original payment method, please do not use the credit that has been returned and ask for customer service for help. So yeah, it's pretty clear that you cannot withdraw funds from Temu. And yeah, I hope this answers your question, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye.